All right, so let us start. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. When we started, sir, what is the date actually? November? 22nd. Okay. '67 and 6. Yeah. So back to the session. We are going to close the maths today, and we are going to start. Did anyone started this? Kindly please. How it is? You are able to understand, right? Slowly by slowly, try to understand. Let me tell you, if anyone is unable to understand the URL which I am sharing, I will still help you how to execute. But your connectivity is really important. You have to ask me, sir. Until you ask, how I know either you are doing or not? Hmm? If you don't know small fundamentals, also that is fine. Maybe get ready. Thursday means tomorrow. I will share one more project. Like this, let us do more and more project actually. Okay, easy. It's very easy. And do one thing. If anyone done end to end for this URL, create a one HTML file and specify your name, and you can share with me. I can upload in Google Classroom. Okay, good. Otherwise, I can help you with the solutions also. Can I close this? Next one, residual also. Yeah. Go back and this we can cover later, sir, during machine learning. I'm just trying to holding this topic. Metrics. Very simple. Let us spend some time here actually. Get ready. Once we done this, then we are going to start new topic. The topic name is called as a feature engineering. What is the topic name? Feature engineering. Go back. Yeah. So it's a very simple. There are mainly 2 to 3 sessions required. Data processing. I would like to say upcoming topic. What number 2? Upcoming topic. Good. We are going to starting today in another 30 to 20 minutes. Are you ready? Fine then. So math, what is the topic name? Matrix. Not much important, but fundamentals you should have an idea. Normal distribution that I can cover later during machine learning. Did he cover package topic for you? Like I hold, then later I covered, right? Python package. Hmm. Now please focus. It's very simple. It won't take much time, just a matter of 10 to 15 minutes actually. A matrix is an array of numbers. Simple, sir. Array is also called as a matrix. Array is also called as what exactly? Matrix actually, very simple. If I say matrix, it is having rows and columns. It is having what exactly? Rows and something like a data frame. Something like a array. Something like what exactly? Array actually. Come on. So what I mean to say, in NumPy, in NumPy, it is called as a array. It is called as what exactly? Array. If I say array, I would like to say rows and columns representation. What representation? Rows and columns. Very good. Same thing like that. In pandas, what we need to say? Nice. Exactly. Data frame. Representation is the same. But same thing in maths. What we need to call, talk with me. That's what. That you need to catch actually. That's it. The representation is the same. Even though generations are changing. NumPy, pandas, in maths, that is called as a matrix actually. Always we need to tell first one is a row, second one is the column. First one is what exactly? Can I say this is the shape actually? Am I right or not, sir? I would like to say shape representation. Shape representation. Next one, rows and columns. To show how many rows and columns, we oftenly call as rows by columns actually. The representation will be how many rows? 1, 2. This is the 1, this is the 2 actually. Good. But let me tell you, in a matrix, there is no column representation, there is no index representation. Am I right? So the extra added advantage in a NumPy and pandas, in a NumPy, would you have a index? In a pandas, would you have a name of the columns and index? In a mass, no name of the columns, no indexer, only data, only values. Yeah. Now, good. Please hold on. Please focus. There are few definitions you need to understand whenever you are understanding about the mass actually. First one is a scalar. First one is what exactly? Scalar actually. And second one is a vector. Second one is what exactly? Vector. Next one is a matrix. Next one is what exactly, sir? Matrix. Do you know in Hyderabad Scalar Institute, would you have? Huh? Scalar Institute. They used to teach data science also. But how much they will charge, any idea? 1.2 lakh, exactly. Srinath sir. Yes. 1.2 lakh they will charge actually. Syllabus same. Same copy paste syllabus actually. You know. But their AC is available every high standards. Okay, good. Let's move on. Now, let me tell you, what do you mean by scalar? Scalar means in Python, a is equals to 16. Can somebody talk with me? What is that one? Variable, right? Sir, if you are providing single value, this one also having another name. In math, that is called as a scalar. In math, that is called as what exactly? Scalar. A single value representation is called as a scalar. What is that one? Scalar actually. Next one. Now, hold on. Why L is coming? Scalar. Good, I would like to say 10 value. Next one is 20 value. Next one is 30 value, something like that. Next one, let me talk about vector. Let me talk about what exactly? Vector. Vector means a single row, a single row, a single row or single column. Can somebody talk with me? What is that one? A single row or single column actually is called as a vector. Is called as what exactly? Vector. Good. Now vector best example will be, so 10, 20, 30, 40. Can I say that is the array? Can I say that is the array? Good. Next one. Let me explain single column also. Single column also let me explain actually. Good. I will tell you. Later y2, two array representation I will tell you actually. Kindly please hold on your anxiety. Next one is a 20 value. Next one is what value? 30 value. Next one is 40 value. And you can close this discussion actually. I would like to say this is row representation. This is what exactly, sir? Row representation. This is what representation? Column representation. This is what representation? Column representation. Then I hope you already know matrix means what exactly, sir? Talk with me. Rows and columns. Rows and what exactly? Columns. That's it. These are all just the definitions you need to understand. Now, if I say scalar, you need to think single value. If I say vector, it can be single row or single column. Single row or what exactly? Single column. If I say single column, can I say series? Can I say series? Good, good. Yeah, kindly walk through these rows. Scalar, vector, matrix. Either it is a single row or single column, something like this. Next one, adding matrix. It's a very simple, sir. Ignore the theory. You can easy to understand. Assuming that we have a two matrix actually, something like a NumPy array also we have. This is the matrix number 1, matrix number 2, and I just wanted to apply addition. 3 plus 4, what is the result? 7. 8 plus 0, what is the result? Simple, the very basic fundamental. Am I right? We can adding matrix. We can add two matrices. Two matrices. The two matrices must be same in what exactly? Size. You know that really matters. Now, online team, are you getting? Can I get a response? I hope you are getting. It's okay. No need to respond. Why? Because if you are not able to hear, you may ask a question actually. Come on. Now, next one is negative matrix. Next one is what exactly? A simple man. So, would you have a array or else matrix? I just wanted to convert this one into negative matrix actually. Simple. You know, matrix of, minus. Minus, minus of 2, minus 2. Minus into minus of 4. What is the result? 4. You know, right? Please. Basic fundamentals actually. Minus into minus. It will become what exactly? Plus. That's what here plus actually. The next one, subtracting. Come on, sir. As it is something like a, what exactly? Addition actually. Multiplication. Hold on. Hold on. I will tell you. Yeah, this is multiplication. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 0, 0. This is called as a multiple by constant value. There is a one thing which is important. I'm looking for that interview point of view also. Yeah. This is important, sir. Multiply matrices. What is that one? Multiply matrices. Let me explain slowly. And this example, let me explain slowly. Ignore these are all discussion. Let me enter into the live example actually. Let me enter into the live example. Good, assuming that. I will explain that one. Hold on. A real-time example. Good. Please focus on this. Yeah. Can I say this is the data frame? Tell me, sir. Yeah. How many rows? How many columns? 4 columns. What are all column names? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What are all rows actually? Apple, cherry, blueberry. It's a good. Now, please observe here. There is a fruit shop. There is what exactly? Fruit shop. These are all sales information. Respected fruits actually. First apple. Apple fruit cost will be $3, man. Cherry fruit cost will be $4. Next one, blueberry, $2 actually, assuming that. Now Monday, how many sales? 13. Cherry, 8. Blueberry, 6. Good. Thursday, cherry, how many? 6. I hope you know the information, right? Now here my question will be, I just wanted to know each day total, what is the total business? Each day, what is the total business actually? Are you getting? Then observe here. I would like to say this is array, this is the data frame. In math terminology, what we need to call? Matrix. Come on, sir, tell me. In math, what we need to call? Matrix. Good. Hold on. Now, look at this kind of representation. Look at this kind of representation. Now, $3 apple and $4 cherry, $2 what exactly? Blueberry. Good. Now, can somebody tell this is on which day sales actually? Monday. Good. If you wanted to know total Monday sales, respectively all fruits cost actually, what we need to do, $3 into 13. Why? Because apple. What is this one, sir? Apple. Then I would like to say this is the apple representation. Am I right? Then next one, this one is a, yeah, please. I already told actually. Apple representation is a 13. Then apple 3 value. 3 into 13. Now cherry 4 into 8. Very good. 2 into 6. Come on, talk with me one more time. 3 into 13. 4 into 18. 2 into 6. Good. Next one. 3 into 9. 4 into 2 into. Perfect. You got it actually. And I will explain. Hold on. Just try to see. 3 into 13, 4 into 8, and 2 into 8. Respectively, what we need to do, we need to multiply. These are all stuff actually. And, 3 into 13, 4 into 8, and 2 into 16 actually, 2 into 6. Then total business you need, right? What we need actually? Total business. Then you need to apply addition operation. What we need to apply? Yeah, with respect to boss, multiply this value with this value plus multiply this value with this value plus multiply this value with this value, then you will get a total business. You will get what business actually? That Monday how many sales you will get out? You will get it out. Once you've done these are all things, 83, 63, 37, 75. Now I will ask only one question. 83 means what? Monday business. I hope you understand, man, perfectly, right? I mean to say that calculating like this, it is very easy actually. It is very easy, but this is the matrix calculation, this is exactly the matrix calculation. Let me explain slowly by slowly. Go back. Now what do you mean by matrix calculation? Please focus. Hmm. Multiplying matrix by another matrix, in real time we are not using this, but you should have an idea what exactly it is happening. Multiplying matrix by another matrix, we need to do the dot product. We need to do what exactly? Dot product, rows and columns. To work out the answer for the first row and first column, actually, sir, simple. Assuming that, talk with me. Can I say this is the matrix number one? Good. This what exactly? Matrix number two. This one, how many rows and how many columns? Good. Hold on. Now I would like to say, matrix number one. Next one, this is what exactly? Matrix number two. Matrix number two. First one, how many rows actually? Two rows. Very good. And how many columns? Three columns. Very nice, sir. Then matrix number two, how many rows? Tell me, sir. Three rows. Next one, how many columns? Two columns. Now keep in mind that, here the rows and here the columns should be matched. I'm repeating again. Here, what is this one? I'm sorry. This is the rows and this is column, right? These columns and this rows should be matched actually. Exactly. 3 and 3 supposed to be matched. Are you getting everyone? Good. Now please observe here. Yeah, what exactly happened, 1 into 7, exactly 1 into 7 plus 2 into 9 plus, talk with me, 3 into 11. Then what is the result actually? 58. Then same fundamental, it's supposed to happen for respectively other value also. With this one, we need to calculate for this value also. Are you getting? Yeah, good. Can you please walk through? Very simple. You guys just need to walk through actually. Here 58, 64, these are all respective values, sir. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry, sir. Now you do let me know. Can somebody talk with me? Here, what is the final result? The result should be the result should be here. Can somebody talk with me? 2 into 2. 2 by 2 matrix we are going to get. What matrix we are going to get? 2 by 2. I mean to say that 2 rows and 2 columns actually. Whenever you are multiplying like this 3 and this 3 supposed to be cancelled, and the 2 by 2 matrix you are going to get it out actually. So small fundamental, man. You should just try to have an idea actually. No need to focus much. Can you please walk through? These are all simple, very simple. Now, yeah. To multiply m by n matrix by n by p, then n and n will be cancelled. What is the result we are going to get? M by p. I hope you know m by p result we are going to get. And just try to see 1 by 3 and 3 by 1. What is the result we are going to get? 1 by 1. What is the result? 1 by 1. Small basic examples, sir. Yeah, a matrix is an array of numbers actually, and it's a very simple. Can somebody talk with me? What is this? Yeah, somewhere we have seen, right? In NumPy, where we have seen NumPy actually. And I hope there is a method name. Am I right? We just need to call a method. Method name is diagonal. See, manually you need to represent 7 to 9. But if you are having the, just try to create a array. Just you can call a method. Method name is called as a diagonal. Then you will get this result automatically. Okay, good. Next one, transpose matrix. What is the next one? Transpose matrix. Now to transpose, come on, sir. Transpose means what exactly? Convert rows into columns, columns into, one more time, rows into columns, columns into rows actually. Square matrix, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. What do you mean by square? Number of rows and number of columns are matching. One more time. If number of rows and number of columns are matching, that matrix is called as a square matrix. identity matrix. What do you mean by identity matrix? You know, an identity matrix has ones on main diagonal and zeros on everywhere actually. Sir, in diagonal position, what is the result actually? 1, 1, 1. Remaining all are 0. Diagonal matrix, you know, a diagonal matrix also 0 anywhere, not on the main diagonal actually. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix in the sense, in diagonal, all values are same actually. All values are same. It can be 1, 5. Next one, what is this matrix? Sir, it is very easy, right? I can still give this document with you directly. That's it. Just a matter of 10 to 15 minutes. No interview questions from this one, but you just have an idea. Why? Because, you know, now let me reveal the secret actually. Sir, whenever you are creating array, backend it is creating matrix. Backend it is creating what exactly? Matrix with the help of math actually. With the help of what exactly? Sir, math is super fast. Math is super fast. That's what you need to understand. All right. Now, let us just try to enter into the topic name. This one is done. And this one is holding actually. This I can cover later. Now, feature engineering. What is the topic? Feature engineering. Tell me, sir. Yeah. So in terms of the math, whenever you're calculating, good question. The data type, it can be numbers mostly. Matrix plays with the numbers actually. Am I right? But whenever you're working with the array data type, yeah, no doubt at all. The representation is array object only. The representation, the data type is array actually. Yeah. Why? Because, you know, if you wanted to create array, then there is a function. Function name is called as a array actually. Good. Yeah, talk with me. What is the topic name? Feature engineering. 1 minute. Let me talk with online team. We are going to start new topic, right? Let us hit the coconut actually. Poopesh, L into J matrix you are going to get. L into J matrix you are going to get. Sir, maybe suddenly, I don't know when it will be. I will not announce the date actually. Suddenly one day, I will arrange study hour. You thought like exam I will put, right? No, no, no. I will arrange a study hour actually. You come to the session, you know, either if I arrange a suddenly study hour, then laptops really required actually. Am I right? With mobile, can you read actually PDFs? Highly impossible. You can do chit chat actually with 1 hour or 2 hour. You cannot read. Okay, that's okay. Maybe I will arrange 1 day study hour completely within 1.5 hour. Python Panda is supposed to be revision done from your side actually. That would be really good idea. Am I right or not? One day we'll see. Let me announce publicly. If it is a tomorrow, I will ask you to bring your laptop actually. Come to the session. 1.5 hour pin drop silence actually. No questions, no doubt section. Just try to open the material or read actually. That might be helpful. You may not aware the power actually. And whenever you are reading, you can understand actually. Are you getting? Good. Now, can somebody talk with me? Till now, how many things we done? First one Python, next one is Pandas, next one data visualization. When I say in Pandas, can I say EDA project also we done actually? EDA project also we done. And now the fourth one, data visualization. Then next one, NumPy, just fundamentals actually. Sixth one, mass, here also fundamental. Now the topic name is a feature engineering. What is the topic name? Feature engineering. Engineering. Good. Get ready. Sir, the prerequisite is, what do you mean by prerequisite? Any idea? Prerequisite is Python and Pandas. Python and what exactly? If you wanted to understand this topic in a better way, you should be mastering two topics actually. What is the topic name? Python and Pandas. That's it. Then we are going to touch in the code again actually. Are you with me? Good. Now let us start the session. Good. So let us just try to have a data frame. I hope you already know the data frame actually. When I say the data frame, let me take sales1.csv. Let me take what exactly? Sales1.csv, sir. If I say sales1.csv, what is the first column name? Did you remember? Come on, you have to talk actually. Okay. Let us just try to open sales1.csv. Good. Let me take these raw data. Look at my screen, very simple, please. Yeah. Order ID. Hold on. Let us maintain some for your better understanding. I need your help, sir, please. Customer name is a Tarun. Product name is a Samsung. Please tell me. Samsung M10. Next one is quantity 3. Next one, Kedarji. My guru actually. When I added an experience, I entered into the company. He is the one who understand me actually. He helped me when I'm working. Sir, whenever you're joining in a company, there is a one person in the team actually. Maybe God will arrange. Who will arrange? He will help actually. Ensure that. Have you that faith, trust actually. Look how I am helping you. Am I right or not, sir? You guys are not saying yes actually. Just kidding. Just kidding, man. Good. Now, can I say this is the data frame? Good. Sir, in terms of the pandas terminology, this is called as a data frame. If I say data frame, can I say this is the column number 1, column number 2, column number 3 actually? Very good. Now just try to observe here. Here it is called as a column number 1. This one is a column number 2. Next one is column number 3. Next one is column number 4. Now what is the next topic, ultimately in a data science, we need to take this data frame and we need to provide input to the ML algorithm. We need to provide input to what exactly? ML algorithm. Are you getting everyone what I'm saying? I mean to say that. Please understand this one. We used to get a sales1.csv file. Then from this one, we need to create a data frame. We need to create what exactly? Data frame. Whenever you are getting data frame, this data frame, we need to provide input to the ML algorithm. Input to whom actually? I hope you know the flow. In between data frame and ML algorithm, one more topic is available. What is that one? Very good. You remembered actually. But as of now, you can ignore the array discussion. Talk with me. What is the first one? Sales.csv. Next one, data frame. Next one, ML algorithm. I mean to say that sales.csv is a input we are giving to the pandas. Pandas is giving us what exactly? Data frame. Now this data frame, please listen. This data frame, we need to give input to the ML algorithm. Am I right? Sir, in pandas, it is called as a column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. In machine learning terminology, same thing is called as a feature 1. What is that one? Feature 1. The terminology change actually. Just the terminology change. I will tell you slowly by slowly. Did you understand? I am repeating again. In pandas, it is called as what exactly? Column 1. This is what exactly? Column 4. Same column 1 in machine learning algorithm perspective, that is called as a feature 1. But not feature, sir. F-U-T-U-R-E, not that one actually. Can somebody spell out the spelling? F-E-A-T-U-R-E. What do you mean by feature? The valuable thing actually. The valuable thing. I will cover you. First of all, did you understand this? Good. Now, same example. Let me take one more example for your better understanding. Farmer data set I will take. I would like to say farming.csv file. Farming.csv file actually. Then we'll get what exactly, sir? Data frame. This data frame we need to give what exactly? ML algorithm. Very good. I hope you understand. Now, in terms of the pandas terminology, talk with me. First one is the area. Next one is rice packs. Next one is what exactly? Rice packs actually. Now, just try to come here. Area 1, you have to talk actually. 10, 2, 20. Next one is 3, 30, 4, 40. Enough. Good. Now in pandas, with respect to pandas, you talk with me. What is this one? Sir, tell me. Column 1. Very good. This one is a column 2. Talk with me, everyone. Column 1 and column 2. In terms of the machine learning perspective, talk with me. Feature. Next one is what exactly? Feature 1. Next one is a feature 2. Feature 1. Next one is what exactly? Feature 2. Did you understand? Good. Take the same data set. Understand how slowly by slowly I'm transforming. You need to understand actually. Sometimes what happens, here there is no value. Here what exactly? There is no value. Then if there is no value, what kind of value it will be replaced actually? Nan. Am I right? Come on, talk with me. If there is no value, what is the value? N. Good. This value, we need to apply engineering. We need to engineer the value. We need to process the value. Instead of none, what are all operations would you have? We are going to see in a feature engineering topic. I mean to say that, first of all, this is a feature. Let us apply engineering. Let us apply what exactly? Engineering. Are you getting everyone? Good. I would like to say feature engineering. Good. Now take the same example. Take the same example. I will explain slowly by slowly. Please focus. Sometimes what happen, instead of 10, here it will be actual. Sir, representation is the same. Am I right or not? But here it is what exactly? English related words, but instead of numeric value, instead of what value? What we need to apply here actually? Engineering. That is called as a feature engineering. That is called as what exactly? Feature engineering. Are you getting? Good. Now I hope you are getting actually. This is the one definition. Feature engineering means, if I say feature, you have to remember a data frame and column 1 and column 2. Where are all column 1 and column 2 is available? Then you need to think like what exactly? Feature 1 and feature 2. Sometimes feature having some messy data. What data? Messy data or else noisy data. What data? Noisy data means some wrong data. That wrong data, you need to spend some time. You need to validate. You need to apply engineering techniques. What techniques actually? Engineering techniques. Conclusion of the story. Hold on. Sales 1.csv. You have to talk with me. Get ready. And can somebody tell me, sir? Data frame. Next one is what exactly? ML algorithm, right? But before giving to the ML algorithm, you need to apply feature engineering topic. What you need to apply? Did you understand? Good. Before giving this data frame to the ML algorithm, this data frame having some wrong values. Best example, missing values. That missing values you need to handle. Then after handling, we need to give the handled data frame to the ML algorithm actually. I'm sure, I hope you're getting, sir. Are you with me? Good. Yeah, Srikant, same actually. Now, please hold on. Observe here, area. Next one will be rice packs. I will take the simple general examples. Please focus. Here I would like to say 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. Very good. Now I would like to say feature 1. Yeah, feature 1. Next one is feature 2. Now let us make it here. We do have a some 10 representation. What representation? 10 represent. Then what we need to, what we can do, create a new feature. Create what exactly? New feature. Instead of 10, 10 you can take here as it is. You can map the values actually. As it is, you can map the value. Did you understand what we done? We are taking feature number 2 and we are creating a new feature. We are creating what exactly? We are creating a new column also. We are creating what exactly? New column. Are you getting your one? And this is feature we created actually. And here what I applied, feature engineering I applied. What I applied actually? Feature engineering. Are you getting? I mean to say that from the column, we are creating a new column. From the existing column, we are creating a new column. That is called as a feature engineering. That is called as what exactly? Feature engineering. Good. Now next one. Let us take a feature. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feature number 1. And from this feature, we can create another feature. We can create what exactly? Another feature. How to create a feature? 1 square. What is the result, sir? 1. 2 square. 4 square. 3 square. 4 square. 16. 5 square. Am I asking more maths actually? No, right? 5 square means 25. That's it. See, from the I would like to say this is existing feature. What feature actually? Existing column. We are creating a new column. We are creating what exactly? Still you can create one more column. Still you can create one more column. What is that column name? Feature 3. So let me apply cube actually. Please tell me. 1 cube. 1. Get ready. Bring calculator. 2 cube. Get 3 cube. 27. Sir, 4 cube. Sir, please. 64. 5 cube. 125. Exactly. Like this, if you want, no limitation. I will tell you till when we can create actually. Did you understand? This is called as what exactly? Feature engineering. Talk with me. This is called as a feature engineering. I mean to say that. What do you mean by feature engineering? Please, some technical definition. Feature engineering. There are many definitions we have. The first one will be from existing feature, we are creating new feature. We are creating what exactly? Otherwise, can I make it? This one is the first. We are creating a new feature from what exactly? Existing feature. Existing feature. This is called as a feature engineering. This is called as what exactly? Feature engineering. There are many definitions, and these are all you have to understand before entering into the topic. Actually, I'm just trying to pampering you, like to enter into the topic. Sir, you no need to do anything. Just we do have a methods. We do have what exactly? Don't think too much logical actually. We do have a method. Call the method. Katam. What is that one? Yeah, we done actually. We done. The point what I'm going to cover. Very very important. Very very important. Please focus. Important point actually. The point will be sometimes in a data frame. Assuming that sometimes in a data frame, column number 1. Next one is column number 2. Good. Please focus. Come on, I'm requesting. In a column number 1, the values will be 10. Column number 2, values will be 20. Column number 3, values will be 30. And in column number 2, the values will be A. Column number 2, values will be B. Next one is what exactly? C. Talk with me. Can I say this is integer data type? Can I say this is? Nice man. What is that one? Object actually. Good. I'm repeating again. Sometimes data frame column 1 and column 2. That is okay. Now the same thing in ML perspective. Can somebody tell me what is this one? Oh, tell me, sir. Feature 1. Next one is a feature 2. Feature next one is what exactly? Feature 2. But one fundamental rule. Fundamental rule. What is that fundamental rule? ML algorithm works with only numbers. Only what exactly? But not string data. But not what data? Very, very damn sure interview question. Please focus. When I say data frame may having the column 1 and column 2. Data frame having what type of data actually? Integer would you have? Next one is objects would you have? It's okay. Hold the definition. Move on to the machine learning. When I say machine learning, feature 1 and feature 2. Cool. Feature is integer data type. Feature 2 is what exactly? Object data type. What data type? Now let us apply feature engineering. Let us apply what exactly? Feature engineering. By applying feature engineering, convert string data into numerical data. String data into what data actually? Why we are converting? Because ML algorithm will work with only numbers. Will work with only what exactly? Numbers, but not string data. But not what data? Team, are you getting? Now I'm repeating one, the very, very important. What is important point? Machine learning algorithms works with only numbers, but not string data. But not what data? String data. Good. If we are having string data, then we need to convert into, tell me, numbers, numerical data. We need to convert into numerical data by using what topic? Yeah, you are with me actually, right? Feature engineering. So like this, lot of operations we can do. Like previously I explained, these are all examples actually. These are all examples. Practically we'll see. Practically we'll see. Are you getting? Good. Now take this one. Take this one. Convert the string data into what exactly? Numerical data by using, talk with me, feature engineering. By using what exactly? Feature engineering. Now take the same data. Let us just have to take the same data, and here I would like to change ml, and here I would like to change, tell me, feature 1 and feature 2. Feature 1 and feature 2. Now let me create a feature 3. Now a is, if you want, convert into 1, convert into 2, convert into 3. No limitation. 0 1 2 also you can convert actually. Now here onwards you can drop this column. You need to consider f1 and what exactly? F3. Did you understand? Very very easy, sir. Here actual, you will think like a ml engineer actually. This is seriously so interesting topic. Are you getting? Good. Let us, I'm entering into the topic. I trust you understand actually. The theory and these are all really important. Please focus. I need your attention actually. Now we are starting. Can I open the material? What is the topic name, sir? Tell me. Feature engineering. Yeah, the prerequisite. The prerequisite. The prerequisite is, talk with me. First one is a Python. Next one is pandas. And even if you want more elaboration, we are going to playing with what exactly, class. We are going to playing with what exactly? Class. Next one is a object. Next one is a method. Then done. Again the discussion is back to the discussion. What is the first one? Class, object, method, maybe functions also. We'll see. Functions is very less actually. Talk with me, sir. There are mainly 4 topics we are going to play. First one is a function, class, object, method. One more, my favorite syntax. What is that one? Keyword argument. Keyword argument actually. Very good. Keyword argument and get ready. Here and there, when I started feature engineering, not only feature engineering, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, ensure that these 5 are the pillars actually. These 5 are the pillars, man. Good question, Sheila. If you're converting the string data into numeric data, then what about the actual data of the feature actually? That is still existing, boss. Let me tell you, machine learning cannot understand the string representation. If you want, I will give a small example. What is that example? Let us take a Titanic data set and would have a gender column. What column actually? Gender column. Male. Next one is what exactly? Female. At least here I can write male is the first actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Can somebody say gender column is, can I say this is the column? Talk with me, sir. Can I say that is a feature? Can I say that is what exactly? Feature. Good. Here is the pandas representation. Here is what representation? ML representation. Now, I would like to say feature number 1. We are going to creating a feature number 2. I would like to say gender underscore n. Underscore what exactly? N. Male I would like to represent with 0. Female I would like to represent with what exactly? 1. Still, the notation is not changing. We are telling to the ML algorithm, hello ML algorithm, there is a column. Column name is a gender actually. Basically, there is a string value. That string value, though you don't know strings actually, I'm converting into 0. I'm giving actually. It will accept. It will accept actually. Are you getting? Yeah, good. All right. Good question. Feature scaling, feature engineering, data processing, these are all similar words actually. Feature scaling is a technique. This point also I need to cover. Feature engineering, feature scaling. Good. Let me cover this one also. Hold on. Sir, till now, what are all I have covered? Actually, go back. Let me just try to give a small revision. Please focus. I need your attention actually. Please focus. The topic name is a feature engineering. What is the topic name? Feature engineering. I would like to say feature engineering, also called as a data pre-processing, data wrangling, data munging. There are many names actually. Okay, good. To understand this topic, we already done previously all these things. Ensure that you should be strong in these three topics actually. Two topics is more than enough. And from the feature engineering, you may get a minimum 5 interview questions. How many interview questions, sir? Minimum 5. Minimum 5. Get ready. Yeah, generally, till now, we already played with the data. We already played with what exactly, sir? Data. That data will be, I would like to say, by using pandas, what we done, we created a data frame. We created what exactly? In a pandas representation, column 1, respectively, column number 4, we can tell. But the same data see, a data analyst, he can say this is the column. But a same ML engineer, he will tell what exactly? Feature 1. If you're don't look at this one is something like column, you have to look at that one is what exactly? Feature. Then you will become ML engineer actually. Good. Just sir, notation change, sir. If you want, I will give a best example. What is example? In Python, did you remember a equals to Daniel? During variables topic, this is what I call actually variable. The same thing I told object also. Am I right or not, sir? Just a naming convention, right? Now a, it is called as a variable. It is called as what exactly? Variable. A, same thing, it is called as what exactly? Object. Object actually. Am I right or not? Compare like that. Easy. Come on. Yeah. These are all called as a feature 1, feature 2, feature 3. Good. And even I have taken a data something like this. Let me just try to represent like this for your better understanding. Good. In pandas area, rice packets, column 1, column 2. In machine learning, this is called as what exactly? Feature 1 and feature 2 actually. Very good. Now take the same data and you can just try to come here. You can delete this one. Small modification I'm doing. Let's move on. I can cover Divya. I can cover. Let us enter into the topic. And in machine learning, sometimes the data here can be, would have a none values. What values actually? Generally, in a pandas, where are all none values would you have? What we done actually? We dropped the value. What we done? Sir, the dropping is called as a feature engineering. That dropping is called as what exactly? Instead of dropping, can I replace with some value? With mean we can replace. That operation is called as a feature engineering operation. What operation? Best example, sir. Let us take that chair actually. It was some problem and we modified that chair. Then we added a feature. We added what exactly? Feature actually. Good. Simple. Yeah, very good, Harish. Now, here NN we do have. If you're trying to dropping this one, then indirectly we are applying engineering technique. What technique actually? Engineering technique. Just try to say. Machine learning algorithm never work with the string data. Never work with what exactly? String data. Instead of that one, let us convert into 10 value. What value actually? 10 value. Then that is called as a engineering. What is that one, sir? Engineering. Conclusion of the story. Sales data. Data frame will get. This data frame we supposed to give to whom actually? ML algorithm. But when you can give, apply feature engineering, then you can give ML algorithm. You can give what exactly? ML algorithm. I would like to say, come on. Sales 1.csv data frame fe. The next one is nice ml algorithm. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Yeah, observe here actually. In machine learning perspective, in ml perspective, I would like to say feature 1, feature 2, feature 3. But in feature 2, there is a small glitch. There is a small problem actually. The data, let us correct the data. Where are all 10 is available, we are mapping to what exactly? 10 value. We are mapping to what exactly? 10 value. Take the same example. I will tell you how to do that one. And here also let us take a 20 value. Just for your better understanding, I'm telling, sir. This is what exactly? 30 value. 40. Don't consider spelling mistake. 10, 20, 30. Then we created what exactly, sir? New feature actually. I would like to say rice packs underscore number. Underscore what exactly? Number. Number actually. Am I right or not, sir? Rice pack data we converted into what exactly? Numbers data. Then I would like to say new feature is created. What created? Anyway, conclusion of the story. Now here onwards, if I say feature, that is simple column. That is what exactly? Column. If I say feature, get ready, we are going to engineering the feature. We are going to do some processing the feature actually. Are you with me? Good. These are all, I hope you know, we are converting string to number. These are all stuff. One more technique, the technique name is called as a scaling the data. Important, sir. Damn sure interview question. What is this one? Read everyone. Scaling the data. One more time. Last time, scaling the data. What do you mean by scaling the data? You know, please focus. Please focus. Get ready. We do have a data. The data representation is like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many values would you have? 55 values. Very good. Started from 10 till to the 50 actually. Good. Getting right? Good. Hey, Daniel, can I apply feature engineering over the data actually? Feature engineering, you can apply, sir. That especially, let me apply feature scaling technique. What technique actually? Why I am applying, I can explain later, but I need your attention actually. What do you mean by feature scaling? You know, you talk with me. What is the difference between, you know, difference between, can somebody tell me, 50 and 10? What is the difference, sir? Very good. 40 actual. Can somebody tell me what is the difference between, you know, so 10 and 30? 10 and what exactly? 30 actual. Tell me, sir. Very good. I would like to say, you know, absolute, you can apply the absolute actually. 10 actually. Am I right or not, sir? What is the difference between 10 and 50 actually? 40. Seems to be, I feel very long value. Can I compress the value? You can compress. Can I compress the value? You can compress actually. Let me apply feature engineering technique. What technique actually? Feature engineering technique. Get ready. How I'm applying? Please focus actually. Yeah. Can somebody talk with me? Take the same data. Come on, come on. Please observe. What is the maximum value? Very good. Divided by 50, sir. Divided by 50. All values. All values divided by 50. Get ready. Get ready. Then can somebody tell me what is the result actually here? Nice. You got my point actually. Can somebody tell me what is this one? 1. Sir, 40 by 4 by 5, what is the result? You are looking at my face actually. That is okay. 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 0 0.8. 0 point what exactly? 8. 3 by 5? Yeah. 3 by 5. 0 0.6. Next one is? I have a trust on you, sir. 0 0.4. What is the next one? 0 0.2. Good, good. Now get ready. Previously, what is the difference between, can somebody talk with me, 10 and 40 actually? Tell me, sir. I'm sorry. 50 and 10. What is the result? 40. Now talk with me. Same 50, I converted into what exactly? 1. Very good. Now, same 10 value, I converted into what exactly? 0. We converted into. Now, what is the difference, sir? Yeah. Did you understand? I mean to say that we applied scale in technique. What technique actually? Scale in. Seems to be would have a large values. We compressed the value. What values actually? Compressed the value actually. Guys, are you getting? These are all techniques we'll see. Such an interesting topic. And slowly by slowly we'll understand. I hope you're getting, sir. What is the topic name? Do you think topic name is a confusion? What is the topic name? Feature engineering. Okay, let me hold on for 2 minutes. How is practice going on? Good, right? Get ready. In another 2 days, we are entering into the machine learning. By this time, you should be strong in Python and Pandas. By this time, no question, no matter what, no doubt at all. You should be strong in Python and Pandas. Get ready in another 1 week or 10 days. Get ready to prepare the resume. I will help you. I only will help you how to prepare the resume. If anyone having any gap, actually, get ready. So I will help you how to add an experience. If you start now, then once we are entering into the course, before closing the course, actually, you will be set right. It's not like end of the course, I will help you resume preparation. Come on. So let us just have to start help actually. Hmm? Getting right. So get ready. I'm sure you're going to get a job actually. Getting a job depends upon your efforts only, sir. I hope you understand actually. Assuming that interview schedule actually, I need to give interview or you need to give interview. You need to give interview, then you have to prepare. You have to prepare. Hmm? Fine. Good, Harish. Sir, start your camera, sir, once actually. Okay. Do you know recently he got a success in one project actually? Do you know about that project? Elon Musk project actually. Don't you know? He started in the year of 2017. He had a small idea. What is that idea? He just wanted to insert a chip in human brain. Chip in what exactly? Human brain. Sir, let me tell you. More than companies, more than outside organization, our body having lot of data. Our body having what exactly? Lot of data. How about your heartbeat actually per day? That is a data. Best example nowadays, the watches they are selling, right? Like a digital watches actually. And that too, they will send every weekly report actually. In that report, they will send your heartbeat is slow and you have to need more work actually. How they are getting? Because of the data. Because of what exactly? Data actually. Now Elon Musk, he had a thought like, let me just try to insert a chip in brain actually. He wanted to monitor how human body is functioning actually. And he got a success just 1 month back actually. And he got a permission 1 month back. Don't you know this one? You should know, sir, updates actually. That is a AI project. What project actually? AI project. Initially they applied with the animals. They got success actually. Now recently they applied with the one person. Just 1 month back exactly. They applied with the one person. Now what is the motto? Yeah. Now if I wanted to touch this one value, I need to touch the mouse and I need to overlap here and I need to bring actually. Am I right? Now the person who inserted the sim actually, not sim actually, chip actually. I'm sorry, chip. Then whenever his eye looking towards to the number, that is highlighting actually. I mean, he is functioning the mouse with eyesight. He is functioning the mouse with eyesight. I mean, he is thinking here with the chip actually. Then automatically it is happening. That's what actually. So you should know a kind of some small stuff. He's the AI developer, AI engineering actually. That project name is called as a neural link. That project name is called as what exactly? Neural. Sir, you should know, sir, in your surrounding what is happening. Elon Musk is a data scientist actually. If I say Elon Musk, do you think this guy actually? Just I'm kidding. Elon Musk recent project, chip in brain, success or not? It got a success actually. Just try to say, can somebody talk with me? 30 January 2024, Elon Musk brain scientist started neural link in our brain, completely neurons, sir. Total data science also backend depends upon the neural network actually. That would you have a separate topic. Has announced that successful implantation of device in a human first time actually. Billionaire technology Elon Musk announced the week it is company Neuralink has implanted its brain computer and fresh into the human for the first time actually. Seriously, very good. Now he's understanding one more advantage. Total healthcare department, all doctors actually, they are really getting a surprise. If a doctor wanted to monitor our human body, lot of devices is really required actually. They are unable to store the data. They don't know how to point, where to point actually. But the chip is handling. Automatically he is planning for, if any person is disabled actually, a kind of some paralysis, a kind of some heartbeat, immediately it will inform. Get ready. Next to 10 days somebody is getting heart attack actually. Before 10 days only they will inform actually. before 10 days only. Are you getting? That is seriously amazing. Total healthcare, it is going to changing new innovation actually. What is that one? Sir, in your brain, what you are thinking also it will notice actually. Are you ready? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. All right, let's move on. The project name is called as a neural link. Neural link. Yeah, neural link. This is, yeah, Elon Musk project. Implant. Exactly like a robo movie, sir. Have you seen robo movie? Have you seen? If you didn't see, watch one more time. First time and second time actually. You know, patent registry, careers. All right, let's move to the discussion. Online team, let me talk with online team also. How is practice going on? I'm going to start in another 2 minutes actually. Can I conduct one day study hour? Is it fine? Total Python and pandas we can do. We can do a revision actually. I will not explain. Come to the session, read actually, then we can play. Otherwise, we can make it on Saturday also. You can make it on what exactly? Saturday also. Please don't skip the discussion actually. Nobody didn't respond. It is okay, sir. Mm. Then I'm going to stop. I hope you understand this is called as what exactly? No, feature scaling. What is this one? Feature scaling. Good. Get ready. A kind of some technical terminology. Please focus. Feature scaling is a technique to standardize the independent feature present in the data in a fixed range. In what exactly? Fixed range. Assuming that I do have a data 10 to 50. I just wanted to fix the data in between 0 to 1. In between what exactly, sir? 0 to 1. Yes, you can apply. This is called as a feature engine, feature scaling. This is called as what exactly? Feature scaling actually. Hold on. I'm getting like pain. It is performed during what exactly? Data pre-processing. Good. Data pre-processing. In machine learning, data pre-processing is an important step. Data pre-processing, what exactly? Important step. Data pre-processing, feature engineering, data munging, data wrangling, these are all different names, sir. The purpose of this technique is cleaning the data. Talk with me. What is the first one? Cleaning the data means we do have a missing value. You can drop actually. That is called as a cleaning the data. Next one, organizing the data. Organizing in the sense, did you notice? Like a we can sorting the data like a ascending order and descending order actually. Am I right or not, sir? Talk with me. What is the first one? Cleaning the data. Next one, organizing the data. Make it suitable for a building and training machine learning model actually. I mean to say that if you are having the data frame, assuming that a kind of some CSV file, I would like to say raw file actually, then we are loading and we are creating a data frame. We are creating what exactly? The data frame. Then generally speaking, here we need to apply data processing technique. What technique actually? After data processing technique, we need to convert into array. We need to convert into what exactly? After array, next step is what exactly? ML algorithm. That is a step actually. Slowly by slowly, I would like to extend. But previously, when I was explaining about array, this step I didn't cover. Am I right or not, sir? Now, before taking this data to the ML algorithm, you need to apply feature processing techniques. We need to apply what exactly? What do you mean by feature processing technique? Here assuming that having 10 missing value, how many missing values actually? 10 missing values. Then do one thing here, drop 10 missing values. Drop what exactly? 10 missing values. Then that is called as a data processing. That is called as what exactly? Data processing. Just for your better understanding, I'm telling. Otherwise here we do have a value and map the a value with 1. Getting, I hope you're getting actually. Talk with me. First one is a, sorry, raw file. Next one is a data frame. Next one is data processing. Next one array. Next one ML algorithm. One more time. First one raw data, data frame, data processing, array. All right, the flow matters, sir. Good. Typically, real world data is incomplete. Sir, if you are taking the raw data, you cannot understand. Raw data, you cannot understand actually. Definitely some pre-processing is required. What is required actually? Best example, raw vegetables we cannot eat directly, except carrot actually. Am I right or not? Carrot, mm, kirdoskai, what we call actually cucumber. These are all things actually. Typically, the raw data is incomplete, inconsistent, inaccurate. Technical words, don't worry, and often lacks of specific attributes values actually. This is where data processing enters into the scenario. It helps to talk with the first one, clean the data. Next one, format the data, organize the data. If anyone is asking what is a feature engineering, only these four words you need to tell. Feature engineering means we are cleaning the data, formatting the data, organizing the raw data, thereby making it ready to use the what exactly? Machine learning algorithm. Once we've done these are all things, then get ready with the data. We need to give the data to the input as a ML algorithm. Okay, good. What type of data would you have, sir? Yeah, there are mainly two types of the data. First one is a numerical data. Next one, categorical data. First one is a numerical data. Next one, categorical data. We'll see. This somewhere I covered, man. In data visualization, where I covered. Then come again. Frequency. Okay, good. Where? Then where I covered. Come again. Maths actually. Very good. In math, I covered what is a numerical data, what is a categorical data actually. Come on, sir. Revision required. Can I tell one open fact actually? Can I tell one open secret? You are not doing daily preparation. Open secret actually. Come on, please. That's not a good practice. You have to do the daily revision. You have to do the daily revision. It is okay. Till now, if you are not done the revision, please at least start from today. At least start from today. At least you installed Python, right? Yeah, am I right or not, sir? You installed, right? Yeah. Don't give surprise. Good. Quantitative data is a measurement of something monthly. Yeah. Quantitative data means numerical data. What data? Can I say monthly sales, student score? These are all things actually. Yeah, good. Kind of some. Yeah. Get ready. 6:36. All right. So don't memorize the table. Why? Because we are all going to do these are all practically. Then we'll come back here and I will explain actually. This is the table representing with what exactly? Numerical data. If you're having numerical data, you can apply label encoder. You can apply standard scalar. You can apply transforming feature, handling outlier, imputing missing value. Talk with me, sir. If you're having numerical data, you can apply these are all techniques actually. Read everyone. First one is a one more time. Next one, standard scalar. Next one, transforming the features. Next one, handling outlier. Outlier, somewhere we have seen. Yeah, in mass we have seen. There I explained the theory. Practical we will see. Practical we will see. Next one, missing value. Somewhere I explained. Pandas. Here I'm going. One more time we are going to learn. Very easy. Good. And next one is the categorical data. If I say categorical data, these are all techniques actually. Don't worry. Come on. Don't worry. Slowly by slowly, I will inject you. I will do the injection slowly by slowly. Now, very good. If you wanted to work with the pandas, you guys need to install pandas library, like a matplotlib library. If you wanted to work with hold on. Sir, if you wanted to work with Python, we need to install. Yeah, these are all installation is really required. Python installation. Python is a .exe file. What file actually? What do you mean by .exe file? By clicking we can install. By clicking we can what exactly? Install. That's the meaning actually. Now let me talk about the pandas. If I say pandas, pip install pandas. Do you think this is .exe file? Not a .exe file. Not what exactly? It's not like a clickable software. Ensure that. Okay. Next one, numpy. Tell me, sir. Pip install numpy. Next one, matplotlib. Pip install. Pip install. By this time, you should know these are all library. Next one is cboard. Pip install. Cboard. Now get ready. Sir, if you wanted to work with machine learning, If you wanted to work with machine learning, then we need to install pip install, scikit-learn. What learn actually? Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn. Hold on. Yeah. Sorry. Scikit and iPhone learn actually. Please talk with one more time. Machine learning. If you wanted to work with machine learning, you need to be installing one library. That library name is a pip install scikit-learn. Read one more time. Scikit-learn. Scientific kit. What is that one? Scientific kit. We are going to training the model actually. Here iPhone symbol but not underscore. What is that one? iPhone symbol but not underscore. In a olden days, there is one more library, pip install sklearn. What is that one? Sklearn. But we are not using that one actually. I mean, that sklearn converted into scikit-learn. That sklearn converted into what exactly? Scikit-learn. Let me show you. Let me uninstall both. Pip uninstall sklearn. Okay. Pip uninstall scikit iPhone learn. Scikit what exactly? iPhone. Let me uninstall. Then it will ask confirmation. Hey, do you want it to really uninstall? Sir, I'm installing. Come on. Pip uninstall scikit iPhone learn. What learn actually? iPhone learn. What I need to apply? What I need to click? Good. Now successfully uninstalled actually. Let me reinstall. Sir, let me tell you the beauty. This library is what exactly talk with me? Machine learning, right? What is the version? Means you need to think logically. Machine learning just recently started booming. If I say Java, what is the Java version? Java version is the 19th version. What version? In 1947, the game started actually. Like that, you need to understand. By looking at the version, you need to understand game started recently. I mean, just booming up started recently actually. That's what you need to understand. Okay. Pip install scikit iPhone. Let me just try to install. It is being getting installing. Previously, I have installed 1.3 library. Now, any changes? 1.4 came, sir. Small changes, not much changes. Don't worry regarding the 1.3 to 1.4. Small changes. You need to focus also. What is the difference between iPhone plus iPhone 14 and iPhone 5 actually? Only shape change, sir. What change actually? Just a small. In iPhone 14, there are some bugs. There are small issues. They will fix and they will release new version. That's the beauty actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Come on. When successfully it is being installed actually. Now exactly something like this. I'm repeating one more time. This is iPhone or underscore? One. Now the topic name is a label encoder. What is the topic name? Label encoder. Are you ready? Yeah. I will not explain the theory. I will explain. Hold on. Let us understand the example directly. Are you with me? Sir, I can give a guarantee. Whenever you are looking at the example, just like this, you will understand. I have a strong hope on you. We'll see. Look at the example directly. Get ready. Can somebody talk with me? What is this one? I know label encoder. What is that one? Huh? Sir, what is this one? Class. Very good. Even though you don't know feature engineering definition also, but you are able to recognize this is the class actually enough. That's it actually. How can you say this is the class or function? Capital. Please, that Python fundamentals you have to carry always actually. Good. Whenever I'm talking about the class, next step is a object creation. Next step is a method calling. Talk with me. Generally, importing the class, object creation, method calling, close the discussion. I'm repeating again. Generally, here onwards, not only in feature engineering, in machine learning also, I would like to say these are all important steps, sir. Important steps actually. Step number one, importing the class. Importing what exactly? Generally, if you import the class, the immediately next step is, creating the object. Creating what exactly? object to the class. Object to what exactly? Class actually. Next step is what exactly? Access the method. Yeah. Can I say access the method by using object? You have to read everyone 3 times actually. Get ready. First one is importing the class, creating object to the class, access the method by using object. Last time, importing the class. Please remember this fundamental. Remember this fundamental. Now, one of the best example is we are just trying to importing this class. We are just trying to importing this class. Yeah, we are importing actually. Then we are creating an object actually. Obj equals to, we are creating an object. Then we are going to call a method. Method name is a obj.fit_transform. What method, what it will do later you can understand. First of all, flow matters. What matters actually? What is the class name? Label and code. Exactly. We are importing. Generally in real time, ensure that if class discussion came means close your eyes and you have to tell object creation method column. That's what is the method. These are all things later you will understand actually. Please. Okay. Now simple. Don't look at this one. Don't look at this one. Look at, see, I hope you look at this data actually. Don't look at that one. Understand the output. Sir, can I say data frame? Very good. What is the first column name? First of all, how many rows and how many columns? 4 rows and 4 columns actually. What are all the column names? Company, role, company underscore n, role underscore. I hope you understand what exactly happening. Initially, there is a data frame with 2 name of the columns. How many columns actually? 2 columns. First column name is a company. Second column name is a role. Assuming that we started collecting, assuming that 4 members would have actually, first person working in a Google company, he's a data scientist. Second person working in Twitter. Next one, role actually sales manager. Third person, Google. What is the role? HR. Fourth person, LinkedIn. Role is HR. Now, machine learning, I would like to say column number 1, column number 2. But in terms of the ML terminology, feature 1, feature 2. Nice. Now, ML algorithm cannot understand what is Google, Twitter, LinkedIn, sir. Then ML algorithm like to work with numbers. Then ML algorithm cannot understand what is a data scientist, what is a HR. Then ML algorithm like to work with numbers actually. Then what we need to do is take this data, convert into numbers. Then company, name of the column. Then company underscore n. Underscore n means numerical data. Yeah, number actually. What is that one? Number. Good. According to the alphabetical order, which one is the first actually? G first, T first, or L first? Yeah, go. Sir, tell me. Do you want to read the ABCD actually? A, B, C, D. G. 7 by G Brundavan Colony. Number is a 7. Number is what exactly? 7 actually. You can remember like that. T means 20. L means 19. Oh, sorry, sir. 12 actually. 12. Yeah. L12. Exactly. Good. All right. Now, according to the alphabetical order, G is the first, right? Where are all Google, come on, look at my screen, sir. Look at my screen. Where are all Google is available, automatically mapping with the 0 value. Automatically mapping with what exactly? Now you need to remember, you no need to write your own code to map where are all Google is available. I need to assign with one number. Backend it takes care automatically. Keep in mind that. Then Twitter. Next one is what exactly? L. The L number is what exactly? 12. According to the alphabetical order. Now this one is occupying with what exactly? 1. And Twitter is occupying with what exactly? 2. Did you understand how we are getting from this column to this column? Am I right or not, sir? If you want, I will explain one more time. What I'm explaining, understand the output. Maybe today it is not possible to execute the example. Let me try to understand the output. Sir, initially we would have a column number 1, column number 2. In terms of the ML, I would like to say feature 1, next one is feature 2. When I say machine learning, I'm sorry, machine learning cannot understand string data. Machine learning cannot understand string data. Then what we need to do is convert this data into numerical data. What data? Column by column we need to do. No doubt at all actually. Good. According to the alphabetical order, Google, LinkedIn, Twitter. Total 3 unique values. How many unique values? Three unique values. First one is a Google, second one is a LinkedIn, third one is a Twitter. Then where are all Google is available, mapping with the zero value. Mapping with what value? Zero value. Where are all Google companies available, mapping with what values are zero value. Cool. Now where are all LinkedIn is available, mapping with what value? One. Where are all Twitter is available, mapping with what value? Simple, man. Then this column we successfully converted. We done feature engineering. What we done actually? Feature engineering. Getting right? We applied actually. Can I say adding a column? What is that one? Sir, feature engineering also we can do by using pandas. We can do by using what exactly? That's what I told. Be strong in pandas. Can I tell what is your favorite topic actually? Pandas. Am I right or not, sir? At least say yes, sir. Yeah, please. Do you think I'm overconfident actually? Good. According to D letter, S letter, H letter, which one is the first? D. Then 0. And next one is a H letter. H letter number is 8. How you can remember, match this one and this one, 8 number will come actually. Good. H will be 1 and 1. And S will be 19. Sales manager. What is this one? Sales manager. This is the 2 actually. Now here onwards, what exactly happened? Come on, look at this one. Machine learning algorithm will work with this data. Will work with what exactly? Data. Now, once machine learning algorithm, how it will understand, whenever you are saying 0, whenever you are saying Google company, machine learning algorithm will map with what exactly? Daniel is talking about the 0. If I say LinkedIn, ML algorithm will understand 1. If I say 2, ML algorithm will understand sales manager. That's it. You have to map like that actually. Are you getting? Means we are converting to the convenient to the ML algorithm. Convenient to whom actually? ML algorithm. Fine then. Can I execute the example tomorrow? More interesting. Don't miss tomorrow's session actually. Fine. The feature engineering take 3 days sessions. How many days? 3 days actually. Thursday, Friday, Monday also we can take. I thought Friday I'm going to start ML actually. It's okay. Don't miss the session on Monday. We are going to start machine learning. You are going to start what exactly? Machine learning. Can I conduct coming Saturday study hour? Study hour. No practice, nothing actually. Bring your laptop, come to the session. 1.5 hour, you have to close Python and Pandas. Practice like that. Open the material, read everyone actually. Don't say, sir, highly impossible. Please. By this time, I am sure you may done at least one time revision. If you are not done, before Saturday, do 1 or 2 times revision. Coming Saturday, within 1.5 hour, I am not forcing you. Otherwise, can I plan only for Python? Up to you, sir. Next Saturday, I can plan for Pandas. Come on, tell me. You're convenient only. Coming Saturday, let me plan total Python revision. What revision? Total Python. 1.5 hour actually. 1.5 hour. I don't know. You have to close. Keep in mind that. Fine then. All topics, no exception. Like a starting to last all topic actually. We done for today's session. Did you understand today's session, sir? Yeah. Online team, somebody called me, sir, over WhatsApp actually. I have missed. Maybe, is it Harish actually? I didn't save the number and name. Okay, let me upload the material. I can connect actually. Sorry, regarding your job proposal, you can connect with me one to one. I can help you. It's sorry, it is 5:30. Oh, math till I need to upload 9 and 10 also. Give me another 2 minutes. I will upload material. 5:30. There was a one batch today morning 7:30. That batch was closed actually. Students are connected more emotional. Students are connected more emotional actually today. Kumar sir, admin is a point of contact. I'm sorry for saying I may not help regarding the recorded sessions. If you are looking for any recorded session, only admin sir. I'm sorry, I may not give fake promise actually. I can tell, I can share. I'm missing. Sorry, sorry. Will you miss tomorrow session? If you miss tomorrow session, gone case, sir. How many of you taken Xerox actually? If you're not take Xerox, please take it, sir. Might be helpful. Take a Xerox hard copy and it will be helpful. If you say, sir, no money means call me, sir. Tell me your phone pay number actually. Telling phone pay number. It's okay. I can help you. If anyone need any material, I can help you. Do let me know. Hard copy. Fine then. Daily we are taking printout of the material actually. Very good. Please habituate with the hard copy. You don't know the hard copy is more powerful rather than soft copy. Why? Because randomly, whenever you're looking at the book, automatically you can feel that sense. I need to open the book actually. All right. Don't miss tomorrow's session. We done for today's session. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Please take care.